Anyway, today we're gonna be installing this three-prong wire for the dryer. We're in the back of the dryer. You need a 1/4-inch nut driver. So. Remove the screws. I just loosen that up. I should be able to take this up. Yeah. Alright, so this is hot, neutral in the middle, and since we're only this is a three-prong wire, you only need to directly to screw here. If you have a 4-prong, then you remove this one and attach it here, and attach it with the neutral, and then put the ground here. But since we're only installing 3, oops. Okay, this thing comes with a strainer, so might as well use it. I was gonna use this one. This is better actually, but doesn't matter. So I'm gonna use the strainer. It already has this protector here, so from scratching your the wire. So here's the wire. The way they set it up is the middle is the neutral. So here's the wire. When you insert it in here, it's gonna go like this. Okay. Hot, and neutral in the middle. Now if you're installing 4/4, this one will go here, and this one will go together with the white wire and the ground here, but this is only for 3. Okay, this is only for 3, so this one will go like this because it matches with this one right here. Alright, so let's install that. Okay, and you need now you need a Phillips screwdriver because of the strainer here. You get one. I never used this type of strainer before, so my guess would be this thing will go up here. This one goes in the bottom. I'll go like that. So go up here, and the wire will go in the middle. This thing will go here. Right, so let's do that. We'll screw this later. I hope my head wasn't in the way. Wouldn't be the first time. Alright, so let's run the wire through. That. Now this is very, very important. Do not drop this screw. Okay, do not drop it. If you drop it there, and since this one is it doesn't have a hollow bottom, you're gonna have to remove the whole cover in order to find that screw. So do not drop the screw when you loosen it. So put your hand right there, just in case. Let's do so already. So pick it up by hand. All right. middle one. Last one. My nut driver is not the best one. All right. I'll put the strainer later. I'm gonna install this one first while I can. Do not lose the screw. So, see, it's still line up. Middle goes in the middle. Okay. Then you can bend that. Go. I'll start in the middle. Alright, do not over tighten it, okay? Just tighten up. This one here. Hot. By the way, in here is color coded, so there's like red, that's hot, white's neutral, black is hot. Push that down. Turn it this way, there you go. Make sure that's secure. Alright, do not over tighten. Let's put the strainer in. Now the strainer's job is to keep it from being pulled. When you move the dryer, it keeps it from being pulled from the connector here. Dang, no access. Hard to put the strainer. I need a tubby screwdriver. Oh, by the way, these screws here are designed for this terminal block, so if you do drop it, you gotta find it. And because you won't be able to install the wire without the terminal, the screws like that. Yes, it has to be the screws that came with the terminal block, or you're gonna have to find a replacement that will work with that terminal block. So the strainer is here. So see, if it's plugged and you actually pull the wire, it doesn't pull the wire from here. It moves the whole body. Alright, so let's put the cover, plug it in, and it should work. Should. And this thing was just clipping the side. I don't think I need to remove that, but and it popped out. Anyway, it's all good. Now let's plug this in. Make sure no fire. If there's no spark, it should be okay. It's working. Oh, no, I don't adjust that. Anyway, that's it. Thank you for watching. All right, thank you. See you next time. Bye bye.